just wanted to show you how I do Madam Glam's Polygel with a tip. All right, here's the tip so far. I've glued it on and I've been blending the tip and filing it into a stiletto. And you can see right here that it's not pointing way down like some of those tips do. And that is what the tip looks like after it has been blended and filed and shaped. And of course, after you apply either your acrylic or gel or polygel, you can again reshape it. I'm going to be applying the Soak Off Base Gel from Madam Glam. Now please remember that I am using my non-dominant hand to do this nail, so cut me some slack, okay? And I'm just using alcohol to smooth the product down. And what I like to do is just try to get it good around the cuticle area. I really like it. It's really nice. It has a little bit of a grittier texture. Now, you noticed I didn't have to wet the brush that much. I got it all the way down without having to wet it anymore. So that's pretty good. I am using a tip, so that makes it a lot easier. So I think that's good for right now. I'm gonna have to come in and add more, and I wanna show you how I do that. But first I'm gonna go ahead and give this a cure. Going to apply just another layer right over top of this nail. There's a sticky layer on it still. I like it that it's a little bit softer, easier to work with. That'll be great for using with a form too, because it seems like the minute you put pressure on the form with a harder polygel, the form will shift. And remember, I'm using my non-dominant hand. You know what, I think that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. I'm gonna cure it for a full minute. That's the end of the video and demonstration. I really like how this nail turned out. It looks like the other two sculpted nails. Of course, it's the one in the middle. Gluing on a tip and applying polygel seems to be pretty easy. A little bit more easier than if you were to apply a form and then sculpt out a nail with polygel. Tip that I used in this video is not actually a real glue-on nail tip. It was a full cover nail in the almond shape, and I cut it down and made it into a nail tip. And I will have a video showing you how I did that, so be on the lookout for that. I really think it turned out great. I have nothing but positive things to say about Madam Glam's Polygel. It really wears well, as I can tell so far, and it's really nice to work with, and you don't have to oversaturate your brush or anything like that. It just really works great. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.